Hello everybody, welcome to Selenium training at QTPselenium.com. Today we will look at a small example on Selenium RC. We will do an exercise that we will be going to the site timesofindia.com. It's a news website just like BBC in India. Fine. There is a text over here. This is supposed to be a captcha, but it isn't, right? It's written 9 plus 5 equals 2, and there's a text field out here. What Selenium script should do, it should calculate the sum of these two numbers and write the sum in the text field. Every time I refresh this page, this text changes. Okay, so you see that this text it changed. The script should be written in such a manner that it should read the changing numbers dynamically and and print the sum inside the text field. That means I'm kind of handling a dynamic object out here. Okay, so let me get the XPath of this text field first. Now, as we have studied, the XPath will remain the same even if the object is changing. So what will happen is that I will go to my script. I already made the code for this and I'll explain you. The first step is I start the RC. Okay, till now I have opened this highlighted part. Okay, this is opening timesofindia.com. Okay, after I have opened successfully, the last part is actually clicking on a welcome link, because this line over here which I have highlighted is for when I go to timesofindia.com website. Out here sometimes I get welcome to Times of India screen. Okay, to click there's a link which comes over there. This is for that. Anyways, if you are not able to understand what this line is for, just accept it for time being. Okay, out here the real task starts. I have given selenium.getText command and I have given the XPath of the element whose text I am interested in. That is XPath of 2 plus 3 text. That is math. ID is math q2. Okay. Now I got the text and then I split the text on the basis of blank space. Now selenium.getText will always give you the updated text because you are giving the XPath here. And the text over here, I'm splitting it on the basis of blank space. Okay, so because there's a blank space between 2, there's a blank space between plus and 3. When I taught you the module 7 in Java on my site qtpselenium.com, when I taught module 7 to you, let it open. I had explained you a simple example on how to split a string, and I had also told you that you can convert an integer into a string and a string into an integer. That is, the conversion of string into an integer can be done using integer.parseInt. Now when I split this text, suppose the text coming is 2 plus 3. There is a space in between. So in the 0th array of index of the array, okay, 2 will come. In the first index of the array, plus will come, and in the second index of the array, 3 will come. So that means number 1 and number 2 I have to extract. Number 1 will be in 0th index of the array, number 2 will be in the second index of the array, because in the first index of the array you will have the plus sign, but 2 will come as a string. To convert a string number into an integer, refer to module number 7 of the training. Out there, out here in module 7, okay, in the string class and functions, okay, I have explained how to convert a string into an integer. So this should be clear to you. Fine. Then I calculate the sum and take it inside the sum variable, and I will just print the sum after this. That is, sum is SUM. Now after that I have to write the sum inside this text field. That is the result text field. This one. So for that, the function which will be used will be selenium.type. I'll give the XPath for that text field and the text which has to be written. But the catch over here is that this second argument of the type function should be a string. The sum should be in the form of string. So this sum variable is an integer. On this line I converted back into a string by writing string.value of and giving the integer, and then I write the sum inside the text field. So first you extract the numbers, you convert the numbers into integer, you calculate the sum and convert the sum back into a string and write it onto the text field. Okay, so let's run this. Let's run this program. And it should open a Mozilla browser. Here you go. It's going to the website timesofindia.com. So this is the welcome screen. It should click on this link to continue to that website. This was that link I was talking about. Okay, now it's there on the website, and in Eclipse it is printing sum is 6. If you go to the website, then yes, 4 plus 2 is 6. So every time I run this script, the number is gonna change, but the latest sum would be calculated. That is the sum of the numbers. The updated numbers will be calculated, right? So let's move further with today's topic. Okay, I just wanted to take a small example because it just gives you a refreshing kind of stuff, and it refreshes everything. So today we will see module number 17. Okay, so I had started this module, and we'll see a small example of this one, printing all the names of your friends in Facebook, right?